In front of me is OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select password and biometrics, and then just click on add fingerprint. Then click on continue, and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. So let me enter the password, tap on use even though it is quite common. And now here you've got the sensor, so you need to place your fingerprint on it. Here is the sensor, I don't know if you can see it clearly, and now just keep tapping on the sensor. You'll be able to see the progress on the screen. Just keep lifting and putting your finger on the sensor. And that's it. As you can see, fingerprint has been added. Tap on done then, and that will be all. So this is it. This is how you can add a fingerprint, and then you can unlock your device either with this backup pattern, actually pin code, or with your fingerprint just by tapping on the sensor. So here it is. And that would be all. This is how you can add and use fingerprint in your OPPO. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.